Welcome to CADFinesse. By the end of today's video, you will be able to model a cable management device just like this. So let's get started. To begin, we'll sketch on the XZ plane. We'll start by making a 20mm circle. Then we'll create two lines, one perpendicular to the x-axis and one parallel from the origin. Then we'll use the trim command by pressing T on the keyboard as a shortcut for trim command, trim off the excess edges. Then we'll use the center diameter circle, make a circle of 5mm, and then we'll go ahead and use constraint of tangent. Now we are basically done with the 2D sketch. We'll finish the sketch and then head over to revolve tool in the modify menu, select the profile, select the axis as Z axis, and go ahead, press OK. You can see we have made a hemisphere. Then now we'll go ahead, activate the sketch, use the extrude tool and modify the settings. We'll make the changes as direction symmetric and distance as through all. The operation will be cut. Hit OK and deactivate the sketch, and you can see we have made a hole for the cable to sit in. We are basically done here. Now we'll go ahead and apply some appearances. Hit A on the keyboard and choose any appearance. In this case we will be choosing ABS plastic, so drag and drop it to the part, and at this stage you can go ahead and edit the appearance. We'll edit it to our liking. Most of the cable organizers are in gray color, so we'll choose that, and we are done here. So thanks for watching this tutorial and I hope you learned something. Please let us know in the comment if we missed anything, and like the video and make sure you keep innovating and learning. Thank you.